Okay guys, so in this part of the series, I'm going to be working on the eyes. This is, I believe, video number 4. I want to say something about this piece here. So I haven't made his nose long enough. I could have made his, but it doesn't matter. You just have to figure out what works and what doesn't work. I believe I haven't made his nose long enough to get some good eyes in here. Because, you know, the eyes are basically going to be at the bottom of the nose. But it's okay, guys. Like I say in my other videos, it's a friggin' wood spirit. So, I'm not the best person to get a tutorial for eyes because I just kind of do my own style. And I'm not the best at them. And I'm not the greatest at them because I'm not the best at anything, first of all. But I'm not too good at doing eyes because, well, I just don't do enough of them. You know, the more that you do, the better that you're going to get. So there's lots of other guys that have tutorials on how to do eyes, so you might want to check out their YouTube channels too. And for the noses and everything. We all have our own styles. So I'm just going to draw my eyes in here, kind of here. I think a really important part is to make sure you draw them on kind of the same size on both sides. So I am using a pencil here because it's thinner than these pens. So than these felt pens that I got. But let's see if I can, this is just a normal pen. So I believe this is when you really take your time. Okay, so there's my eyes. I got them drawn on there. Okay, so what I'm using here just to do my cuts. This is a Roto Zip. It's a wall tile cutter. Okay, guys, you can find them at your Home Depot. It's a Roto Zip wall tile cutter, and this is a aggressive, strong burr. This shit cuts through bones. This stuff here, guys. So they're normally by the Dremel sections. Okay, so I'm gonna cut on the outside of my lines here. Okay, I'm cutting on the outside of the lines on each eye. And then I'm going to undercut underneath the eyebrow. So my goal is, what I want to do, and I want to make this look round. When I do these cuts here, I'm not going to feather this away this time. Because I want this to be higher than the eye. I want the eyeball to sit deeper back than the cheeks, okay? So I'm going to cut on the outside of the lines. I'm going to cut underneath the eyebrow. And I'm going to try and round everything off in there so it looks like a little marbles in there, okay? That's the only way I can explain it, guys. I'm sorry, but like I said, I'm not the best at eyes. So let's do that. I'll do that at normal speed too, okay? And again, I'm running a Dremel flex shaft. Okay, whatever. Stop talking, Jordy. Okay, so look, this eye is bigger than this eye. So now I got to figure out what I'll do to make that compensate for each other, okay? You guys can obviously see this eye is smaller than this eye. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut around this eye and make it smaller in here. Actually, I'm not going to turn the fan on for this. I'm just going to do it. Okay, so they're closer now anyways, okay? Still a little bit bigger. So you guys, you know, when you're doing the bridges of the noses and you cut it too thin, and it's just real thin here when you make that mistake, when you do your eyes, I always got to cut this back to the nose back this way so you don't have that cut line in there. So it's a good chance for you to be able to bring your nose bridge thicker too, right? Do you know what I mean? Okay, so what I'm going to do now is, again, I'm taking my time on this. I'm going to be using a diamond burr, a flame diamond burr, guys. You can get these on Amazon or eBay or whatever in kits. 1/8 flame. This is the go-to burr for me, a flame burr. The shape of it is multi-purpose, okay? So I'm going to be using this to round the eyeballs. So it'll take me a lot longer with this, but at least you're taking your time, which I don't know how to do. So let's see if I know how to take my time here. Okay, guys, so this is the part where you really kind of take your time. Just let the diamond burr do the work. Look at each side of the eye, like look at one eyeball, then look back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. That's the way you're really going to only get them equal to each other. You know, like I said, I'm not the best at doing eyes. I just have my own style. I haven't put too much effort to learn another style, but this year I'm going to be doing like eyelids and really getting better on my working on my eyes. You know, like the more time you guys put in on practicing, the better you're going to get. Just like anything in the world, you know, the more you do, the better it's going to be. So that's basically the bottom line with this whole wood spirit project. The more you do, the better you're going to be. You know, some people are just naturally born artists, and you look at one of their first carvings and you're just like, holy shit, man, took me 20 billion years to get that good. But they're just naturally born with it. I'm not naturally born with it, guys. So anything I've done is just basically teaching myself. So just let the diamond burr do the work. It's working pretty good on this hardwood. Like I said before in one of my other videos, the diamond burrs are basically, I think they're made for carving stone. So they work pretty good on, they're more aggressive, I believe, on the hardwood because the diamonds can actually cut the wood, right? So anyways, I'll just shut up and keep rounding those eyes, Jord. Keep rounding those eyeballs. Okay, guys. So I got my eyes carved in. I'm not done with them yet. I can still clean them up a bit later, okay? So now I'm going to decide if I'm not going to decide if I want to put pupils in this guy yet. Like, the whole thing's, if I do, he'll be looking this way like, holy shit, the storm's coming or something, because everything's going to be blowing this way. So you want to get him pointing, looking at the storm. And that's the easiest way to put your pupils in, like looking on a down direction, okay? The hard, in my opinion, or an up direction or any side direction, the hardest way to put your pupils in my opinion, is straight in, looking straight out, because if they're not perfect, well then it looks like googly eyes. So also too, guys, you know, you can give them eyelids and stuff like that. This is just the way I'm doing my eyes at this point right now. You know, I'm sure I'll upgrade, giving them eyelids and just like making them better, but I haven't really tried to work on that too much. I've just been too busy doing other things. Okay, so I think the next point in this carving here is we'll work on the hair next video. So hair, mustache, and beard. Next video.